need somebody this week to thank God for how he's opened the door for them. I need somebody to praise God because he blessed them, and not just sit still, but get up and walk. Walk. So this is slow motion miracle. Wait for God. Watch for God. Walk with God. And then worship God. After they got to the other side, the same God that opened the door for them to get over shut the door. And Pharaoh's army got drowned in the Red Sea. And you talk about party. They broke out in a party, in a praise. They were dancing and shouting and singing and worshiping God because he had brought them through. But the thing about it that gets me is that they were so afraid because they didn't know that they were in the middle of a miracle that they held their worship till the end. But if you know you're in the middle of a miracle, you don't have to wait for the miracle to be over, because you know it may be slow motion, but at some point, God's going to bring you out.